Hey guys, it's Emma from I Create Crafts. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create a Star Wars painted canvas using Oracle 651 as a stencil and painting a galaxy on the background. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this.
So my daughters are crafters too, so they are doing some Christmas homemade crafts. And one of them asked me to do a stencil for them. So I'm just going to quickly show you on Design Space how I do this. So I'm going to go to Upload because I already have this image saved. So I'm going to go to View All, and I'm going to type in the search box up here, Star Wars. Because I already have this SVG already saved. So I am going to select it and then Insert Image. And then I have it here, and the whole thing to it is she is finishing up painting a canvas black. I'm going to print this out for her on Oracle 651. She's going to put it down on her canvas, and then she's going to spray paint or paint over it like a galaxy color. But I thought this would be a cool tutorial to show you if you are interested at all making something like this. It's just like a 9 by 7 canvas that we bought from Hobby Lobby, but I think it's a pretty cool idea that she came up with. So I'm going to finish this up. The only thing I want to do is just change the size. So I know that the size of the canvas is about 9.5 by 7.5, but she wants it a little bit smaller. So I'm just going to do a little bit smaller than 9.5 by 7.5. So I'm going to unlock it up here, and I'm going to change it to maybe 6.5 by 7.5 and kind of see how that looks. I'm going to switch it the other way. So I'm going to change it to 7.5 by 6.5. See how that looks, because she wants it wider. So I'm just going to actually take it and squeeze it up a little bit to make it just a little bit wider this way. So I think this looks good. So the next thing I'm going to do is just go to Make It here, and it's going to show it to me here, and I like it how it looks. I'm just going to push Continue. And I have my Maker set up. I'm not sure if my screen is going to look the same as yours, as I have the Maker machine, but it's just connecting to Bluetooth right now. And then once this comes up, I'm going to select stencil vinyl. I'm just using regular Oracle 651, sorry. It's a permanent one, but it's going to come off of the canvas itself, but I want it to stick enough that she can spray paint or paint over it and then easily be able to remove it. So I normally would use 631, but because I want it to stick long enough for her to paint under it, I'm going to use 651. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the stencil vinyl, and then I'm just going to load my mat in, and I'll cut it out for her, and then I'll show you the next step. Alright, so my daughter finished painting this. It's dry to touch. She used a hairdryer to finish drying it. I cut out the Star Wars thing, you can't see it, but I did it bright yellow so she could see it, and I'm just going to go in and weed out all the pieces that we don't need. Okay, so now that this is weeded, I'm just going to take some transfer tape, and I just buy this stuff at the dollar store. It's not anything fancy. And then just take a chunk off and use it for my transfer tape so I can put it onto her canvas. So once you have a transfer tape on, you just want to use a scraper and just scrape really well, making sure that your vinyl sticks to your transfer tape. And then peel it up, and it should stick right on. And I like to go backwards and make sure everything comes off of the backing. And then once you have it, you just find the center on here. If you want to get technical, you can use like a ruler or something, but I think anything homemade is never perfect. So you kind of just eyeball it. Emma, what do you think?
I think it looks good.
Emma's doing the camera for me. So again, you just take your scraper and scrape it on. Now, if you wanted to use this where your vinyl stays on, you could use HTV, the heat transfer vinyl, and put it on, but she's going to peel it up after she's done doing the background, so I'm not using that. I'm just using 651. Then I'm just going to peel back the transfer tape, and this is why I buy the cheap dollar store stuff, because I'm just going to throw this out after I'm done with it. You can get a whole roll for just $1. Whoops. Alright, so there is that part. You can see that it's stuck on there really well.
You could just leave it like that even.
Yeah, you could leave it like this, but she wants to go in and do like a galaxy behind it. So I'm going to let her take over and paint this, and then I will tape.
Really wingless, I have no idea what to do. I'm going to put some blue here. And this is acrylic.
So she's going to make a galaxy behind here. So she's just putting some of her paints in this little container. And then she has her paint brushes that she's going to use. So we're having problems, and our painter Lily is here to help us. She's going to help us do the galaxy. She is a good painter. So she's going to be painting the galaxy on here.
Blue first.
Yes, because it's more purplish.
Oh yeah, red and blue. Red and blue make purple. It's big brain.
Very big brain.
Fun family project.
And then I'm just helping by going boop boop. Oh, that's a pretty blue.
We got the Bob Ross painter in the house.
Yeah, she's the only artist.
I have my Cricut, and she has her beauty and her painting ability. She's actually making another painting right now. While it's drying, she came in here to help us. So basically, as you can see, it's okay if you go over the vinyl, because the vinyl is going to be pulled up, and we want everything else to be a different color than black, because when you pull up the vinyl, it's going to be black behind it. So it's definitely coming along. They are filling up all the spots. We hoped that it would look like a galaxy.
It does.
We chose the black background because Darth Vader is obviously black, but if we could have done a white background, I think it would have turned out a little better. But I'm excited to see what this looks like when we pull up the vinyl.
Hopefully the vinyl sticks. Are you done? Are you done?
No, you still have spots on there you gotta do.
No, you're still recording.
No, yes, because I had to fart.
Lily, that's funny because that's staying on here.
What?
Who
You have
cares?
to fart.
Everyone farts.
I don't care, I have to fart.
That's my girls, I taught them well.
It's a natural thing.
Alright, so we are they are almost there. They're just going to take a little bit of white next and sprinkle it on with a paintbrush.
Would you like to do the honors, Lily?
Yes. He's gonna make a big mess.
No, because I'll be the one
And
cleaning
then
it
that
up.
will be the stars in the background of the galaxy. And then once it dries, we will pull up the vinyl. I'm really excited to see what it's going to look like. So here she's going to spatter it.
To figure this out. Here's so much white. I've never done this.
Your thumb, honey, like this.
You're like how 11%
What
battery.
doesn't come?
Flick it.
Bruh, I'm a pro at this. I could probably do this. Watch me try.
No one can do it.
Oh, there.
Oh!
No, don't do that, Lily.
What the heck?
Mom's failing.
Hang on.
Oh yeah, we never put water in it. You're supposed to mix the white with some water.
Mom, I fixed your oopsie. I made it a good thing.
Alright, so we made a mistake. We forgot to add the water to it. So here is some water. It should go on much easier. Learning curve. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Skirt. Goes everywhere.
I give up, guys. I'm leaving it up to my girls to finish it.
Yeah, so obviously I'm not gonna do that.
Oh, Emma! Oh, that actually looked cool. It got in my eye! She got it on my eye!
gorgeous. Wow, look at
Emma!
this.
Okay, that's
Yeah, not that
a little
close,
bit of a
Emma.
cleanup. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's on the camera now. Oh.
Okay, up further.
Don't try this at home. I'm just kidding, it looks beautiful.
It's all over my hand.
It's watered down, so it'll be easy to clean up.
Wow, that looks cool.
Now it looks like a galaxy.
Yeah, it does.
You want to do something? Oh no, I got it on my phone. The heck?
Alright guys, stay tuned to see what it looks like when we peel the vinyl up. We're gonna let this dry overnight and then
No, we're not gonna let it dry overnight, we're gonna hair dry it. And then let it dry overnight.
Alright, we're gonna hair dry it because Emma wants to get this done. And then we'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so my girls are as impatient as I am, so we used a hair dryer and it's completely dry. So I'm just gonna carefully peel up the vinyl. Wow.
Oh geez, it actually turned out good. I did not think it was gonna work.
Wow. That is awesome. See, I like how we did the black background now because now it's all black and it does look like a universe. You got the little stars and stuff. You even got like little shooting stars right here.
Some of it bled through, but that's okay.
Yeah, we
It
should go
looks
in
nice.
with black and go.
This is
Yeah.
a nice handmade item. This is going to go to her uncle for Christmas. And stay tuned because we're going to be making more of these. And give us a thumbs up if you like this one.
We had so much fun creating this Star Wars Galaxy canvas. Even my sister Lily got into it. There are so many ways you can use a canvas and vinyl for a stencil. Our next video will be showing you just that, so stay tuned for that video. We will be creating a vinyl stencil of Yoda and Princess Leia. Please hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed yet, and give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching everyone, happy crafting!